Hello, online learner. Welcome to Principles of Microeconomics online class. Our semester begins on February 13th and it ends on June 4th. This is our homepage. If you want to check on your announcement, click on this link. To check your syllabus, you can go from here or from here, or you can go from modules and check your syllabus. Eventually, when you want to check your grades, click on this link. Let's go to your dashboard. This is your orientation module. And please make sure all of these you have to check. So I'll go to student view. As if you start from here, and please note all of these circles have to be checked. So if we start from here, after you've reviewed page 1, go to the next. And then once you've reviewed all the information, go to the next. For syllabus, this is where your syllabus is posted and detailed homework assignments are posted here. You can purchase your ebook from here or I've given another link. So once you've reviewed all of these, make sure you click on this, see the green box, mark as done before you go to the next. So if we go back to the module, by this time you'll see you have 3 green checks. So all these links you have to review and make sure you see green checks for all of these bubbles, and then only then your ebook section will open. And after you've reviewed these 2 sections, only then your module 1 will open. So keep in mind, module 1 has prerequisites for orientation, and your textbook section has prerequisites for your orientation also. So I'll go back to module, and every module you'll see that I've given details with the period. So from February 13th until February 26th, 2 weeks, you'll be working on module 1 and you'll be studying 2 chapters. In this link, I've added PowerPoint slides, and these are your chapter exams. Each chapter exam has 25 questions. You have 50 minutes time. And if we go back to module again, you'll see, so after you've reviewed your PowerPoint slides, gone through the ebook, you have to complete 2 chapter exam, participate in your discussion forum, and in the discussion forum, if you want to see how I will grade you, show rubric. This is what you'll get to see the rubric in this way. And one last thing is, in this online class, 30% grade will come from your chapter exams, 40% grade will come from your participation of your discussion forum, and a 30% grade will come from your Applia assignments. These assignments, you can click on your Cengage link from here, and this is where you can purchase and access your ebook. And your ebook, let's give it a few seconds. So now we're in Cengage platform. Each of these are folders. So when you open up the folder, you'll see there are certain assignments and it says counts towards grade. You need to do those only. Those are marked as count towards your grade. So under chapter 1, under pre-class activities, there are videos. Once you've watched the videos, you'll come to the ebook, and in the ebook you have access to flashcards, practice exams, and all of these. So flashcards are located here, and each chapter has detailed concepts. Once you're done, you can come over here and do practice exams from here. And once you're ready, after you've reviewed everything, then click on to the homework. And again, these are practice, and only this assignment will be counts towards your grade. So going back to your module, every module will kind of look like the same. You'll know the period, how much time you have, how many chapters. This is your discussion forum, and those are your Applia assignments. I hope that helps, and good luck with everything. Just remember, I'm here to help. Send me an email through Canvas inbox, and in your module, I've given instruction how to send me an email. So simply you'll go to inbox and then send me an email. Thank you. Good luck.